Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be diving into the top 5 best folding mobility scooters available on the market right now. Whether you're looking for a lightweight option for travel, a heavy-duty scooter for rough terrain, or something in between, we've got you covered. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below for more details. So, let's get started with the countdown. Coming in at number 5, we have the Drive Medical Scout Compact Travel Power Scooter. A reliable four-wheel mobility option that's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. This scooter is built with comfort and convenience in mind, featuring a height-adjustable swivel seat with a fold-down backrest and padded armrests. The armrests are even width adjustable, so you can customize your setup to suit your needs. It also includes a handy basket for carrying personal items during your trips. The design of the Scout is focused on practicality. Its lightweight components quickly disassemble into 5 pieces, making it easy to transport in the trunk of your car. The rechargeable 12-amp-hour battery offers up to 9 miles of range per charge, which is ideal for short errands or casual outings. The overall build quality is solid, though the 110-pound weight may make it a bit cumbersome for some users when disassembled. While the Drive Medical Scout is a dependable choice for those seeking a no-frills mobility solution, it lacks some of the advanced features found in higher-ranked models, such as all-terrain capability or long-range performance. However, if you value portability, basic comfort, and ease of use, this is a strong contender. Pros include its compact design, adjustable seating, and easy disassembly. On the downside, its range and weight may not meet the needs of those who require extended use or enhanced portability. At number 4, we have the Hoverfly T4 Mobility Scooter, a versatile 4-wheel scooter that combines comfort and safety features for everyday use. One of its standout characteristics is its adjustable, rotating seat, which makes getting on and off the scooter a breeze. With a spacious design, it accommodates riders between 5'1" and 6'2" and supports up to 330 pounds. The 250-watt motor and 9-inch solid tires allow it to tackle uneven terrain and small obstacles with ease. In terms of performance, the Hoverfly T4 offers a range of 12.4 miles on a single charge and a top speed of 3.7 miles per hour. It also features intelligent safety systems, including automatic speed reduction on slopes, turnover protection, and voice alerts, which make it an excellent option for users who prioritize safety. Additionally, the detachable battery makes charging convenient and hassle-free. Portability is another plus, as the scooter disassembles into 4 lightweight components that fit neatly in a car trunk. While the Hoverfly T4 is packed with great features, it falls slightly short in range and speed compared to some of the higher-ranked models in this list. That said, its safety features, user-friendly design, and comfort make it a fantastic choice for seniors or those new to mobility scooters. Pros include its safety systems, adjustable seat, and ease of transport. Cons include the limited range and relatively modest speed. At number 3, we have the Scoot NGO 4-wheel mobility scooter, a well-rounded option for adults and seniors that balances comfort, performance, and practicality. This scooter is powered by a strong 350W motor, providing a range of up to 14.3 miles per charge, which is ideal for daily errands or moderate outings. It handles a variety of surfaces, including sidewalks, grass, and gentle slopes, thanks to its anti-slip 8-inch tires and excellent maneuverability. One of the highlights of the Scoot NGO is its focus on user comfort. The 360-degree swiveling seat is made with memory foam and wrapped in soft leatherette, providing ergonomic support for long rides. The dual baskets, one in the front and a collapsible one in the rear, offer ample storage for groceries or personal items. Its dashboard is simple and intuitive, featuring a forward-reverse switch, speed adjustment dial, and a battery level indicator. While the Scoot NGO is a standout for its comfort and versatility, its range and weight capacity may not suit those with more demanding needs. However, for typical daily use, this scooter is an excellent choice. Pros include its comfortable design, decent range, and thoughtful storage solutions. Cons include its moderate weight capacity of 300 pounds and limited adaptability for rough terrain. In second place, we have the Atto folding travel-powered mobility scooter by Moving Life, a premium option designed for travelers who need compact, lightweight portability. When folded, the Atto transforms into a suitcase-like trolley that can fit into an airplane's overhead bin, making it one of the best choices for frequent flyers. The FAA-approved lithium battery ensures you can take it on flights without any hassle, and its aluminum construction keeps the weight down to just 62.2 pounds. The Atto offers a smooth and reliable ride with a range of practical features tailored to daily life. It has a respectable range of up to 12 miles, making it suitable for short errands, shopping trips, or navigating public transport. The design is sleek and modern, with a unique white and chrome finish that stands out from the crowd. However, its smaller wheels and limited ground clearance mean it's best suited for smooth, even surfaces. While the Atto is an incredible option for portability and travel, its higher price point and lack of advanced terrain capabilities may not meet everyone's needs. That said, for those who value convenience, style, and travel readiness, this is an unbeatable choice. Pros include its compact design, airline-approved battery, and lightweight build. Cons are its limited off-road capability and premium pricing. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the MSO2 Max all-terrain mobility scooter by Ecomobi, a powerhouse designed for ultimate performance and versatility. With a 1,000-watt motor and a massive 48-volt, 40-amp-hour battery, this scooter delivers an impressive range of up to 32 miles and a top speed of 15 miles per hour. Whether you're navigating rugged trails or cruising through the city, the MSO2 Max handles it all with ease. Its 13-inch pneumatic tires and high ground clearance allow it to conquer uneven terrain, while advanced safety features like rear-view mirrors, turn signals, and auxiliary wheels provide peace of mind. Comfort is another area where the MSO2 Max excels. The fully adjustable seat, premium cushioning, and ergonomic design ensure a smooth ride even on long journeys. This scooter also comes with dual baskets for convenient storage and a USB charging port for your devices. Plus, it arrives fully assembled. Just unbox, insert the key, and you're ready to go. While the MSO2 Max is on the heavier side and may not be as portable as some other options, its unmatched power, range, and all-terrain capabilities make it a perfect choice for users who want the best of the best. Pros include its long range, robust build, and off-road capabilities. The only real downside is its bulk, which may not be ideal for frequent travelers. Overall, the MSO2 Max is a true all-rounder and our top pick for folding mobility scooters. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the right folding mobility scooter for your needs. If you enjoyed the content, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews. Got questions about any of the scooters? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Until next time, take care and happy scooting.